What if you gave up total control of your day to artificial intelligence? Not just what you eat, but how you study, how you work out, even how you relax. All decided by artificial intelligence. That's exactly what I'm doing for the next 24 hours. Every choice, every step, guided by AI. Can AI make me superhumanly productive or just a confused robot? Let's find out. Morning routine. My day starts by asking AI to plan my entire day. I told Notion AI and ChatGPT, here are my goals. Help me finish a project, eat healthy, work out, and relax. Let's see how they run my life. Here is what AI suggests. 5:45 a.m. wake up for maximum productivity. Wow, it suggested a daily timetable for me. Next, AI takes control of my studies. I told Perplexity and Quizlet AI to help me prepare for an upcoming test. The AI chose my topics, create notes, made flashcards, and even set a timer for study sprints. Basically, they're my new teachers. AI gives a slightly wrong answer. I fact-check it on Google. Yeah, it's fine. AI is smart, but not a professor. Always double-check. Lunchtime. For lunch, I let AI decide my meal. I asked, give me a healthy, cheap recipe in under 20 minutes. Let's see what it picked. AI suggests a random weird combo like tofu plus peanut butter smoothie. Definitely, this AI officially hates me. Of course, if you give it your location, it will give you based on the foods likely to be in your area. AI doesn't let me off easy. I let AI plan my workout. I asked ChatGPT to make a bodyweight workout, and Fitbod AI tailored a routine for me. But AI also controls my productivity. It gave me a study sprint schedule with breaks, and even blocked social media for an hour. Evening routine. As the day ends, AI even decides how I relax. It picked a short Netflix-style break, a journaling session using Notion AI, a 15-minute Calm AI meditation, and an early bedtime. Honestly, it feels weird handing over even my downtime to AI. And it's nice having decisions made for me, but it also feels weird. Like, is this really my life or just a simulation? So, what did I learn from letting AI run my life for 24 hours? Honestly, it made me more productive. I ate healthier and I studied smarter. But I also realized AI should be the co-pilot, not the pilot. It's amazing at planning and support, but you have to stay in control and think for yourself. Now I want to hear from you. Would you ever let AI run your life for a day? Comment AI life if you try it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's addicted to procrastination.